income elasticity of demand. So we're going to look on how we can calculate the income elasticity of demand. So from the briefly point, we are going to learn what is it. This is the degree of responsiveness of change in demand due to change in income. So income elasticity of demand can be calculated either by percentage method or formula method. Percentage method is given by taking percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in income. So under what is known as percentage method is where we take out the change in quantity demanded over the change of income. So let's look on how we can calculate now by using the formula method. Under what is known as the formula method, we actually take out the change in quantity demanded actually is given by Qn, whereby we take the current quantity and the base year quantity divided by the base year quantity, then times the income of the current minus the income of the base year divided by the base year. So from this derivation is where we equate out the income elasticity of demand, that is the change of quantity demanded due to change of income times the original, the base year income divided by the base year or the quantity. So QD, the change of quantity demand is Qn minus Qo, that is current quantity minus base year quantity, and the change of Y, that is the current quantity Yn minus base year income. Yn is the base year income and the base year, and the current income and the base year income. So for this case now, the Yo is the old income and Yn is a new income, as you can observe. The Qo, that is the old quantity. The Qi, that is the old quantity. For that case now, let's look on an example on how we can calculate the income elasticity of demand. If an increase in income from Tanzania shillings, that is 200, to Tanzania shillings, that is 400, made by a consumer to buy 2 bottles of soda, instead one of that he used to buy before, now the income elasticity of demand will be what? If the increase in income from 200 Tanzania shillings to 200 Tanzania shillings to 400 made by a consumer to buy 2 bottles of soda instead of one that he buy before, now what will be the income elasticity of demand? Solution. So we need to write down the data given from our question. If an increase in income, this means that an increase in income is a new, this means that an increase in income was from 200 to 400. This means that new quantity is 2, or the quantity is 1. This means that the new quantity is 2, but the old income was 200. This means that the income shift from is the what is known as old quantity, and the 2 is what represents the new income, that is 400 Tanzania shillings. So made by a consumer to buy 2 bottles of soda instead one of that he used to buy before. So one of the bottle was used to buy before. So the new quantity is given by the 2 bottles of soda. So the one was bought later and another one before. So the new quantity is 2 and the old quantity will be 1. Since of the 2 bottles of soda, one that was used to buy before. So the income elasticity of demand is given by QD over change Y over YO over QO. So when you plug in the data set, the change of QD is Qn, that is the current quantity. So we take out 2 minus 1, divide by the change of income is where we take Yn, that is the current income, minus base year income, that will be 400 minus 200 times the base year income, that is 200, and the base year quantity of income, that is 1. So the answer will be equals to 1 over 200 times 200 over 1. So the elasticity of income, the elasticity of income will be equals to 200 divided by 200, that is equal to 1. So elasticity of income is 1, that represents the unitary elastic demand of a particular commodity. So that is how it is. So elasticity of demand is equal to 1, that represents the unitary elastic of demand. price of its substitute.